Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. Today in this particular video, we will be going to discuss about all about the ChatGPT and they have released about the new desktop app. I wanted to discuss in this particular video. You can check it out. And let's get dive into this straightforward into this particular video. I'll just show you how you can install the desktop app, Windows desktop app in your own Windows system. So you have to just write it uh, ChatGPT Windows desktop app. Okay, so you can just go through here. So now ChatGPT is available for Windows as well. So you can just search and go and check it out. Uh, they have uh, they have come up with the ChatGPT for desktop as well. So for the desktop, they have come up with the Windows as well. So you can just go through here. Okay. So just go over this and you can just open. Okay. So I have already installed. You have to just click on install and you have to just log into your own account. So you can just go towards it. Okay. So here you can just choose the models if you are paid premium ChatGPT. So you can go over here, you can switch over the here. Okay, so the interface looks like this. Okay, interface will look like this. So you can just have a look on it. So there are a lot of features, same like Windows, like Android app or iOS app. So you will get it. So I will just give you the demo. Okay, I'm just giving the permissions. You can just give the permissions.
It sounds like you're looking to grant permissions for something. Could you tell me a bit more about what you need help with?
Hey ChatGPT, how are you? How are you doing today?
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
My day is going great. What about you? Can you just discuss about today's news?
I'm glad to hear your day is going great. As for today's news, I don't have access to real time updates, but I can chat about recent events or general topics if you'd like. What's on your mind?
Yeah, all right. So, can you just generate me the quotes of for an happy mood, like comedy, Hindi comedy? Can you just motivate me?
Sure, here's a funny Hindi quote to lift your spirits. जिंदगी एक रेल की पटरी की तरह है, कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे और कभी-कभी दोनों पटरियां अलग-अलग दिशा में चल पड़ती हैं. It means life is like a railway track, sometimes up, sometimes down, and sometimes the tracks go in completely different directions. Remember, no matter how bumpy the ride, there's always something to smile about. Keep your chin up.
Okay, so that's great. Great ChatGPT. That sounds crazy. You have come up with the desktop app as well, Windows desktop app. Is that correct?
That's right. I can help with a variety of tasks, including creating desktop apps for Windows. If you're interested in building a Windows desktop app, especially with Flutter, I can guide you through the process. What kind of app are you thinking about?
Now what I wanted to do is, can you just tell me what are the uh, latest trends in AI?
While I don't have access to the latest real time trends, I can tell you about some ongoing trends in artificial intelligence as of late 2023.
Yeah,
1. It seems like you're interested in AI trends. Here's what's been popular. 1. Generative AI. This includes models like GPT, which create content ranging from text to images and even music. 2. AI in healthcare. AI is being used for everything from drug discovery to personalized medicine and predictive diagnostics. 3. AI for sustainability. AI is being used to optimize energy use, reduce waste, and improve agricultural practices for a more sustainable future. Edge
thanks,
AI.
thanks,
Run
thanks, thanks,
You're welcome.
ChatGPT. That's great to hear from you. So this was the demo, folks, like how you can converse with the ChatGPT and communicate with this. This is like a short demo. You can just have a communicate and have a good things about it. So this is what I wanted to share with you, folks. You have a good thing and a great thing. You can just install this app. I will put the link into the description. You can just go and check it out. So this is not uh, any advertisement or something. Okay, so it's just like I was curious about it. So you can just go and check it out and install the app. You don't have to go to the website and search for it. So that's it. Thanks for being there here, video folks. Can you just check it out and let me know in the comments.